To the far right of your surveys, you'll see 3 dots here for advanced options. Clicking on the advanced options will bring up statistics, Facebook share options, retargeting codes, clone survey, assign to, and delete survey. To delete your survey, simply click the button here and it will remove it from your dashboard. To assign this to a certain person, click on the Assign To button. Choose whether or not to assign it to employees by hitting yes or no, and then select the employee from the drop-down list and hit Save Changes. You'll then see in the Assign To area that it's been assigned to that employee. Next on the list, we have the Clone Survey button. This will allow you to make a complete clone of your survey, including all the questions that you've created. To do this, simply hit Yes, Clone It, or hit Cancel. Next, we have the retargeting codes. This allows you to add retargeting codes for Facebook, Perfect Audience, or Google Remarketing. Simply paste it into the box provided and hit Save Changes. To share with Facebook, click the Facebook Share options. This will allow you to add a title for the Facebook post, a description. You can also add an image by clicking here and choosing an image from your library. Once you're done, hit Add Image, and then from here you can hit Save Changes. We'll show you how to post it to Facebook in another video. Finally, we have the Statistics button. This will allow you to get statistics for that particular survey. Here you can see the overall statistics, and you can even export this as a CSV. You can also check out the individual statistics for the web survey, the site survey, and the application survey. Down below, you can see the group results as well as individual responses.